Hey beauties, it's D Beauty here, also known as Shy Hayes, and I am back with another video. Y'all, I am bringing back my nail videos, so I'm so excited to actually work with Maniology today. And you guys, I've always wanted to use stamping plates, so I'm so happy and so excited that they actually provided these products for me today. So, y'all, let's get into it. So we're going to start off with some of the stamping plates that they provided. And this is like, y'all, I'm just so excited. So we have a French tip plate, and that's so dope. And this is in M052. I'm going to talk more about that plate later on with you guys. And then we also have this really dope plate. This is the M119. Y'all, this plate, it has I believe it's called Crystal Moon, and it has like the moon, it has the earth, it has leaves. It's so pretty. Okay, and then also we have this pineapple cotton grabber. This saved my life. Okay, y'all, I'm going to talk more about that later on as well. And of course, we have this angled brush. It's great for nail art. It's great for cleanup around your cuticles. If you make any mess, to clean up any French tip lines. Y'all, banger. Okay, and without further ado, y'all, we also have these top coats. So this top coat is a smudge-free top coat B382. And then, of course, we have our sticky base coat. You'll put this on before you put any polish on. But you guys, I believe I only used the top coat for the set of nails today. And then I have this really cool kit. It comes with all these polishes, and they're so pigmented, beautiful purple, beautiful shade of purple. Then we have this beautiful shade of hot pink, a really deep pink. And then you could also put your swatches on top of each of the covers. And this right here is a stunning yellow. Y'all, that yellow is so fire. And if you guys need to know, this is called a Star Slinger, a 6-piece bright stamping art polish set. I have the links to everything listed down below, as well as a coupon code for you guys, so that way you can save money off of your next purchase with Maniology. And y'all are going to love these products. Here I have this stunning blue, and then of course this very bright red, and this red have kind of a pink undertone. It's not like a true red like you see that true purple and true blue. This has like a pink undertone in person. I'm not sure if it's really picking up on camera, but my favorite color out of everything is this stunning lime green. If you know me, green is always like one of my favorite colors when it comes to nails. I don't know why. I think because it's just so bright. You also get this really cute sticker, which, you know, it adds a personal touch to the packaging. And for the starter show is the Wild Heart starter kit. I love when companies provide starter kits. It's really good for starters, of course. For those who really want to try a product or try a brand and not sure what to get, you get everything in one packaging. So it does come with 2 stamping plates, which is really cool. It's more like a paisley, Aztec, tribal prints, a lot of different prints in those, and I really think that's really cute. It comes with the scraper that you need in order to wipe off any excess polish off of the plates, so that way you can stamp it on. Really cute. Of course, it comes with your user manual, your instruction, stamping guide, and it comes with the stamper. Y'all, look how cute and cool this is. It's super clear. Y'all, you can see I just had fun actually playing around with it, but look how clear it is. And this comes in super handy, so that way you can see how you're placing the design on your nails. So cute. And it's actually really easy to use. It's easy to clean. You guys will actually see that later on in the video as well. And of course, what I like is that it comes with a cover, so you could just store it really easily. Okay, so we have 2 more polishes. Y'all, there's a lot of things, a lot of things that we're providing in this video, and I'm so happy. So it does come with 2 polishes. It comes with that really peachy kind of pink shade, and then it comes with another blue one. So this blue one is a little bit lighter. Honestly, You guys could get away with using either blue. They're pretty close in shade. So here I'm trying to just figure out on which stamping plates I'm actually going to be using for you guys today. Again, these are the 2 plates that came in the starter kit. And here is the French tip one. And y'all, I didn't know what to do. I just know I was really inspired by the packaging. If you guys could see the Maniology packaging in the back with the not Aztec, but like abstract, with that yellow and then the greens. I was really actually inspired by that. So I kind of wanted to do something similar. And I think it came out pretty good. You guys will see that at the end of the video. So here I'm trying to figure out what colors I wanted to start with. So I did start with these 2 colors. And I'm going to show you guys how this plate works. So on the top, you can see is a very thin French nail. And then as you go further down, of course, it gets thicker. It doesn't matter which one you really use, honestly. But I found out using a thicker one was actually best for what I was going for the look that I actually wanted. So I'm actually putting on this pink. And then I'm going to put on that lighter peachy tone. And this is going to be the perfect ombre. We're going to use this card here. And we're just going to swipe it at a 45-degree angle, just like that. You can see it wipes off the excess. You don't need to actually swipe it so many times as I did. I just believe I put a little bit too much polish, so that's why I did it that way. And to clean off this applicator, I actually use that card as well just to pick up any polish. You guys can actually check out Maniology on YouTube as well. They have a very useful guide and they have useful lives as well. So you guys can actually see how they use their own products. And I think that's really, really cool. I love when companies demonstrate their own products. It just makes it easier, and then you actually know how to use their products the best way. So yeah, make sure you guys check them out as well. So I'm just going in and I'm going to do the same thing to my other nail using the same 2 colors. And like I said, the fact that this is so clear, you could see what you're doing on the other side, which is so awesome. And it's something that just makes it so fun and so easy to use. I'm not going to lie, I had so much fun creating these nails. And yeah, for the first time ever, not the first time ever, but first time in a really, really long time, I decided to do my natural nails instead of press-on nails. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. And I'm just going in with that angled brush and 100% acetone just to clean up any lines. Yeah, this little pineapple grabber, it works. Oh my god, it's so cute and it was so easy to use. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys how I decided to do the rest of my nails. I went in with this pink and I wanted to add some blue, and believe it or not, I made a mistake and I actually loved how the mistake came out because I love abstract. I actually wanted to do something really fun, something with a lot of color and just something that I don't normally do. So I'm actually gonna go ahead, put that one, y'all. I was having a little bit of mistake. Like I said, this is my first time actually using this. So I was just trying to see what works, see what doesn't work. And I was like, you know what? Let me use it. Let me just place this on the nail. And y'all, I did it. And I loved it. And I was like, ooh. Ooh. And I went ahead and I did it for the rest of my nails. You guys are going to see me alternating between different colors and just cleaning up as I go. Y'all, excuse the background noise if you guys hear that, but excuse the background noise if you guys hear that, but I'm going to speed through the rest of the nails and then I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Again, I will have a discount code down below in the description box for you guys to shop with Maniology. You will save monies off of your purchase, which is always good. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at TBeautyForever and check out my art page, Dina Designing, for all art inquiries by me. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.